In this video, I'll cover how to change paper roll number 2 in the HP T2600. From the home screen, choose either the grid icon on the left or the right of the home page. Next, choose Paper, Roll 2, choose Unload. Now it's ready to load. Choose Load. The arrow indicates that you can now open the door to Roll 2. Open the door, Roll 2, and release. Blue spindle up and unlock. And I found that sometimes it's difficult to pull this off of the paper roll. So an easy way is just to squeeze the bottom of the pole with your feet and pull up on the spindle to remove. Replace your roll, spindle back on, snug, up against the paper roll, and lock. Just remember that paper always goes in towards the machine when loading. Fit in the slots. Whereas paper roll 1, paper goes down to load. Paper roll 2 goes up into this groove right above the roll. Roll slowly with just a little bit of slack until you hear the ding. Now it says loading roll 2. Next, select the paper category. Recently used is always at the top, and then you have a list to choose from. Let's choose recently used, bright white bond, and OK. Next, if you know the length of your roll, you can choose that or unknown. Close roll 2. Paper has been successfully loaded.